In front of me is UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, and then scroll down, find and select System, and go to Advanced. Here you need to pick Reset Options, and now select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And if you truly want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, just mark Reset Settings. And then confirm that you truly want to do it by tapping on Reset Settings. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.